If you want the best Shopify free trial, this is where you get it. Shopify is now offering an extended trial, but it's not available on their main website. You'll only unlock this special deal by using my link in the description. Without it, you'll be stuck with the short standard trial and miss your chance to fully test the platform. Depending on your region, you can get a Shopify free trial 90 days, and in some cases, even a Shopify free trial 120 days. That means up to 4 months to build your store, get traffic, and make sales without paying anything. Let me walk you through the full setup so you know exactly how to claim your Shopify 3-month free trial and activate everything correctly. First, click the link in the description. It will take you to Shopify's hidden trial offer page. Enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. Then, you'll be prompted to create your account. Use the same email, choose a password, and click Create Shopify Account. Next, Shopify will ask you a few quick questions. For the first step, select Online Store and any other sales channels you want, like social media or marketplaces. Hit Next. Then, choose I'm not selling yet unless you're transferring from another platform like WooCommerce. After that, you'll be asked what kind of products you plan to sell. Choose from options like dropshipping, print on demand, physical products, or digital items. If you're not sure yet, no worries. You can explore apps like AutoDS or AppScenic once you're inside the dashboard. They'll help you find proven products that are already selling well. Then click Get Started. Now, this part is important. This is how you actually activate your Shopify free trial. After clicking Get Started, you'll be taken to a page where you need to pick a Shopify plan. If you're new, I highly recommend choosing the basic plan. It has everything you need to build, run, and grow your store without any extra confusion. Once you select your plan, you'll need to enter your payment details. Don't worry, you will not be charged until your free trial ends. Shopify simply needs this information to confirm your plan and keep your store active during the trial. After that, enter your business address and click Save. That's it. Your Shopify trial 3 months is now fully activated. From here, you'll land inside your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center. You can start designing your site using Shopify's drag and drop editor. It's super beginner friendly. You don't need to know how to code or design. Just pick a theme, customize the layout, add your logo, adjust the colors, and make it look exactly how you want. One last tip, when your store is ready, make sure it's live. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Remove Password. Now your site is visible to the public and open for business. This Shopify free trial 2025 is honestly one of the best ways to start an online store. You get 3 months, or even 4, completely free to launch your brand and make sales before any subscription begins. You've got the time to test products, try out marketing, and figure out what works. But this offer is not permanent. Shopify can change or remove these extended trials at any time. If you wait, you might only get a 3-day or 14-day trial again, so don't waste the opportunity. If you've been wondering how to get Shopify free trial, how to get Shopify free for 3 months, or just looking for the best Shopify free trial 90 days offer, you found it. Click the link in the description now, follow the steps I showed you, and claim your extended trial while it's still available. This is your moment to build something real. Set up your store today and start your e-commerce journey the smart way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.